In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. All you need to do is open Settings and tap on Display to access font size and style. Following that, hit Font Style and tap on Download Fonts to use this icon next to Rosemary one to download it, or click on it, hit Install and download it this way. When it's done, go back to Font Style list and apply it by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!